Hi everyone, I'm Bita Delisi, and in this video we're going to talk about the top 5 things realtors should not do when listing a tenanted property. As many of you are aware, we provide legal support to realtors throughout the province of Ontario when it comes to dealing with their landlord and tenant matters. And as you can assume, we receive an overwhelming number of calls from realtors. However, here are the top 5 things realtors should not attempt to do when listing a tenanted property. Number 1, discuss the landlord's plans with the tenant. Anything you discuss with the tenant, whether being a verbal communication, a written communication, a text message, can and will be used against you as the realtor and the landlord later on should the matter be contested at the landlord and tenant board. Number 2, realtors should not attempt to draft cash for keys documents or attempt a cash for keys. Cash for keys is a legal and mutual agreement to end the tenancy. Usually it comes with settlement terms. As realtors, you really don't know the cash for keys process or what important terms should be included in the settlement terms documents, so don't attempt cash for keys. Number 3, persuade, threaten, or coerce the tenant into signing an N11. If a tenant signs an N11 and they feel that the realtor persuaded or coerced them to do so, they have rights and they can file a motion to stay an eviction, and that will persuade your closing date even longer. Number 4, draft legal documents, and that includes the N11. The N11, which is an agreement to end the tenancy, must be meticulously drafted and properly signed. If there are any errors in the N11, the result will be a toss out by the landlord and tenant board. So you want to make sure legal documents are drafted by a legal professional. And number 5, move out the tenant's belongings. Realtors, please do not get into the property and start packing and moving out the tenant's belongings. As a licensed professional, you are not allowed to move anyone's belongings. For many reasons, we don't want realtors involved with the landlord and tenancy aspect of the sale of the property. Number 1, you're not licensed to do so. Number 2, your errors and omissions insurance will not cover you. So what does that mean? If you make a mistake, guess what? You're going to be fined, and you're going to now have to reach into your pocket, deep into your pocket, to pay off that fine. Number 3, you're opening up yourselves to liability. Number 4, you're opening up your brokerage to liability. And number 5, you don't know what the requirements or consequences are. And I'll tell you, you really don't want to put your clients in a very tough spot and have them incur any fines later on. I hope you found this video informative. If you have any questions, call us first.